Hello everyone, welcome back to Technique. This is Sunny. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell icon for more updates, and please don't forget to subscribe. This is the last day we have to discuss. Okay, so finally we reached final assignment. Complete Unit 5 prototype to production. So that is not nothing but we have to deploy an agent. Okay, first, please, I'm telling one thing only. Please listen podcast so that when you can understand better. Okay, we are not reading anything, just running code snippets. It's waste of use. Okay, by understanding of this, what we have to do, how we have to do, what are the requirements, so what are the needs to perform an agent. Okay, these are the things you have to learn. Okay, and this is a white paper. This can contain all details of our agent. Okay, so before going through that, you can read afterwards. So click on explore. So it's a first task, a day 5A, agent to agent communication. Okay, agent to agent communication. So click on copy edit. Okay, so scroll down. So read first. Okay, going before running code snippets, what is the task, what is the problem statement, so what is the solution preferred. Okay, please read that. Without reading that, please don't do. Please don't do. I am telling once again, please don't do. Okay, I'm selling for your sake only, for not my sake. Okay, I read, I done. Okay, so now we have to add on secrets. So if your Google API is not showing, cut it back, go to again hands-on secrets second time. Okay, Google API key, it will be there here. Okay, now run the code snippet. So setup and authentication is completed. So this is the output. So we can go for next code snippet, right? So here it will take time to import. Okay, all this. So next ADA components imported successfully, done. So it will take time. So don't try after 10 seconds, 20 seconds. It will take time, 1 to 2 minutes time. Okay, don't expose. Now run this code snippet. Yes, product Kotlak agent created successfully. Model using Gemini 2.5 flashlight. Okay, so again run this code snippet. Read here. Without reading, don't do, please. And also don't forget to subscribe. This is my last day of video. So I woke up at 3 o'clock daily for making these videos. And I have semester examination too. Please support me, guys. So run this code snippet. Okay, right. It's developing. Next, view the auto-generated agent card. So this is a view auto-generated agent card. Run this code snippet. Okay, this is the output we can see. Visualize. Okay, right, run this code snippet. Okay, this is the host links. So don't open that links. If you want to open links, afterwards open. So now you can run open means you get an error. So after this completing all, you can open the errors. So run this code snippet. So you can get it like this, testing API communication. So these are the questions. Customer, can you tell about my iPhone Pro 15 Pro? Is it in stock? Yes. So it will tell like these questions and answers. So customer based agent. Okay, customer service based agent. After that, run this. Okay, right, these are all the questions, they're generating answers. Okay, so that's it for the 5A task. So you need to save it as a save version. Someone asking it's not saving means you are not doing correct properly. Okay, so okay, done. 5A done. So what about 5B? So let's go for 5B. So 5B, it's optional. Deploy your agent engine on Google Cloud. So Google Cloud, it may ask for credits. If you have credits, do it. If not, but see the video how I am generating. Okay, don't skip the video. Please see how to generate and deploy the agent. Okay, now secret agent. We have to attach a secret agent like API keys. So here I think there is no need of API key, right? Here we need of Google SDK. I will tell how to add, how to do. Okay, so don't skip the video. If you skip the video, you can't understand. You go to comments and doing blah blah blah. Okay. So here we get an error. So why we get an error? Okay, we didn't add Google Cloud SDK. Google Cloud SDK. So we have to link your account. Go to the say ads on. Now next Google Cloud SDK. Third one. Okay, link account. So sunny15@gmail.com. So if you have any DMs, please DM me to this account, and if you have any promotions also can. Okay, continue. Now you can run this code snippet. We didn't get any error. We resolved that. Okay, complete. Click on complete. Done. Code snippet, run code snippet. Cloud credential configured. So this is the way to solve. Don't worry. Please be patient. So your project ID. Our project ID will be on Google Cloud Console. So I check this here. There is no option. So click on the link. Okay, here Google Cloud Console link. Okay. After clicking, you can get like project ID. Okay, copy this and go back to that. Here paste it here. Project ID. Okay. So then run project ID setup. Okay. So we have to enable Google Cloud APIs. How to enable Google Cloud APIs? This is a task. Okay. Click on this link. Be redirected to the Google Cloud Console. Okay. After that, click on the next. After that, enable. Okay. This is the way to enable this all APIs. So then it will be integrated into our agent. So our agent makes so more flexible, scalable, and efficiency. Okay. Done. So next, create your agent with ADK. Go down, run this code snippet. Okay. Sample agent directory created, right? Next, this file, writing agent. Next, writing file. Okay, done. Next, create agent code. Done. It's also done. So deploy to agent engine. So this may be errorable. Okay, ignore, but see how to deploy. Okay, I also get an error. So because I don't have credits to deploy. Okay, if you have credits, you can deploy. There is no objection. Okay, run code snippet. Done. So deploy agent. Okay, right. Click on the deploy agent. So here I will get an error. Okay. Why? Because I don't have credits, free credits. Okay, so that's why I'm ignoring. I'm not taking it as a task. Okay, retrying. So after this, you try all, you get an error because you didn't deploy it, but you are running. You are testing your agent. Okay, so this is how we can do, and we can easily confuse. Okay, so this is what we have done. Okay, light, take it a light, don't worry. So okay, go down, done for the day. Okay, you don't need to save this also because it's an optional. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, take it as light. And thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. I am a student who learning BTech third year. Okay, please support me, guys. I will help you out in any topic. So any like these programs. Okay, thank you.